I'm going to show you exactly how to create video ads in Canva with the help of ChatGPT, even if you've never made a video ad before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to define your brand identity, generate the perfect AI prompt using ChatGPT, create and combine AI video clips in Canva, and export a professional ad you can use for your business or client. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, open ChatGPT and clearly state your brand identity. This includes your business name, the field you're in, your brand colors, and the overall mood or tone of your business. You'll also want to list what you want to appear in your ad and what you don't want included. For example, let's say we're creating an ad for a cleaning service called Wash and Go. The color palette is blue and white, and the goal is to make the ad dynamic, lively, and upbeat with hyped background music. Now ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for creating that ad using Canva's AI video generator. Make sure to tell it to split the ad into two separate prompts, since Canva's AI currently generates clips up to 8 seconds each. This will help you later combine both scenes into one continuous video. Once ChatGPT finishes generating the prompts, ask it to convert them into JSON prompt. This step ensures Canva understands the structure of your AI instructions accurately. Next, head over to your Canva account. On the home page, click on Canva AI and select Video Clip. Customize the style and tone of your video, for example, realistic, cinematic, or animated, and then paste your first prompt into the prompt box. Hit Enter to start generating. Repeat the same process for your second prompt, then download both clips once they're done. Now it's time to combine your clips. Go back to your Canva homepage, click Create, and then select Videos from the left-hand panel. Once your blank canvas loads, go to Uploads and import the two clips you generated earlier. Drag the first clip onto your timeline, then add a new page for your second clip. Adjust transitions, text overlays, and background music to make the ad feel cohesive. When you're happy with the final edit, click Share, select Download, and choose MP4 for the best video quality. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just learned how to define your brand identity, generate AI prompts with ChatGPT, create and combine video clips in Canva, and export a professional AI-generated ad in 2025. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.